Assalamu alaikum. To the young girl watching this video, you left your home for studies, didn't you? Your parents trusted you, prayed for you, and let you go, hoping you'd make them proud. But somewhere along the way, something changed. At first, you promised yourself, I'll study hard, I'll make my parents proud. But then, the world around you started whispering, live a little. You're too conservative. Try this once, it's not a big deal. And slowly, without realizing, the hijab slipped off, the abaya turned into tight jeans, salah became later, and your dreams, the ones your parents sacrificed for, started fading behind the noise of the dunya. You thought that boy truly loved you. He said all the right words, didn't he? But soon you realized you were just a temporary feeling to him, used, forgotten, replaced. And now, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you don't even recognize the girl your parents raised. You feel dirty, lost. But listen to me, you can still return. Allah still loves you. He's the one who made you watch this video right now, because He wants you back. Indeed, Allah loves those who repent. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:222. It's not too late to close the haram chats, delete the numbers, wear your hijab again, and remember why you came here. My beautiful sisters, you are not old-fashioned for being modest. You are not boring for lowering your gaze. You are special for protecting your dignity in a world that normalizes sin. A wrapped candy stays clean. A covered jewel remains precious. So cover yourself. Not because society says so, but because Allah told you you're worth it. Don't break your parents' trust. They gave you freedom, not to lose yourself, but to build your future. Don't let their heads bow in shame because of your mistakes. Every time you resist temptation, every time you choose modesty, you're not just protecting your body, you're protecting your honor and theirs. My dear sister, Allah is waiting for your one sincere astaghfirullah. Start again. Make your parents proud. Protect your dignity. Protect your akhirah. Because this life is temporary, but the reward in the hereafter is eternal. May Allah guide us all and protect every daughter from the fitna of this world. Ameen. Now it's your turn to play your part by sharing this video and subscribe to my channel and help me to spread this message as much as you can. Maybe you save someone from doing big mistakes and sinful deeds. Allah will give the high rewards who spread good deeds. Jazakallah.